Hi guys, what's up? Today I want to show you another exciting project that could possibly do a big airdrop soon and what you might need to do to position yourself ahead of this possible big airdrop. Guys, in case you're landing on this page for the first time, ensure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and hit like on this video so YouTube will help spread this content. If you've been following our previous videos, you know we drop a lot of alpha and a lot of important updates on this channel, so ensure to hit that like and subscribe button on this video so you stay updated. Now, this project I'm going to show you is nothing other than Algo Dex. Right, but first of all, you need to know that there is no guarantee of any airdrop from this project. They have not said they're doing any airdrop whatsoever. But of course, this is crypto, and absolutely anything is possible. And you could stand a chance, to get an airdrop if you participate in this testnet. They are still on testnet right here. Okay, so you can. They're building a Dex, Algo Dex. And you can participate right here in the testnet still, and practice right here and probably drop a feedback or something while the testnet is still running. Like I said, there's no guarantee, so this is not any criteria, one of the criteria or anything for receiving any kind of airdrop whatsoever. It's not financial advice. But by the way, of course, anything can happen. So I'm going to show you basically all you need to do to participate in this testnet, and every link you need to participate will be in the description. To understand anything, it will be in the description of this video right here. So in order to get started on Algo Dex, you basically need to set up a My Algo wallet. Just in case you're new to the Algo ecosystem and you don't have a wallet at all, you need to go to wallet.myalgo.com or simply search My Algo web wallet on Google or any browser you're using. Set up your wallet the same way you do the likes of MetaMask. Set up your MyAlgo wallet on wallet.myalgo.com. Set up your password and write down your seed phrase. Of course, write down your seed phrase in a safe place and log into your MyAlgo wallet. That's the first thing. Then you connect to testnet on your MyAlgo in the top right hand corner. This is the testnet. I'm going to leave every link in the description, like I said. Testnet.algodex.com. Testnet.algodex.com. Then once you come to the trade session right here, you're going to see connect, and then you connect your MyAlgo wallet. Then after connecting, you have to go to the Algorand testnet dispenser here at bank.testnet.algorand.network or testnet.algoexplorer.io and enter your MyAlgo wallet address. So you go to your MyAlgo wallet and copy your address and paste it right there. I think I opened that link somewhere, so I'm just going to show you. So right here, all you have to do is paste your wallet for example, and then you have to verify first. There's a verification button right here. You have to do the captcha and go ahead and click on the dispense button. You're going to get 10 algo for every attempt you make right here. And once you claim your test tokens, you can simply refresh the page and claim as much as possible. I'm just going to show you how this works right here. Now verification is successful, and I'll hit on the dispense button right here. I'm supposed to get like 10 algo test tokens. Right here, status 10 algos were successfully dispensed. So that is it. Then you go to the test net itself. Once you've connected your wallet, I actually have a wallet connected right here, and you go to this search button and pick any test ASA tokens right here, the Algorand standard tokens, and just pick any one. So let's just go with the first one here. Scroll down a bit, and you see it's quite a bit rusty. This is testnet, that's why you have to. So I just have a couple of Algo test tokens right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and if I hit 100%, of course you have to leave some Algo. Always leave about 10 Algo, at least 10 Algo here, so you can claim as much as possible. Like I said, always leave about 10 Algo to be able to complete your transactions. It's not like you're going to need all of them anyway. So let's just say we want to try out with 11 Algo. So you just hit on the buy lamp, and that will be it. Awaiting confirmation. So this is it, guys, basically for the testnet right here. Like I said, there's no guarantee whatsoever. You go ahead and prompt that, go ahead and complete that transaction on the testnet there. There's no guarantee whatsoever that this is going to be there's going to be a huge airdrop or an airdrop at all from the community. But anyways, they kind of hinted it, they mentioned it, all right, that but the process of the airdrop has not been clarified, all right. So you just go ahead and pay attention, join the communities, and stay up to date, guys. Cheers, and see you in the next video. Remember to hit like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Cheers.